Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add or write a bio to your account on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. Go to your home page and tap on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on edit profile. Tap on public profile in the left side column. Scroll down and here you can find this about section, tell your story. So tap on it and then you can type in your bio or your introduction. And when you are done, click on the save button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, your profile has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.